Find or read reviews that people are talking about ETiansu 32-inch 4K curved monitor. Why you should choose. Next, we are introduce some reasons why you should choose that. 32 inches 4K 160Hz gaming curved monitor with HDR400. Level performance with this 4K 32-inch curved monitor featuring a 1500R screen curvature that wraps around your field of vision for maximum immersion. Curved computer monitor with HDR400 and 95% DCI-P3 color gamut, every scene comes to life with stunning contrast, deeper blacks, perfect for both competitive gaming and professional content creation. 4K curved monitor with ultra-smooth performance. Whether you're dominating the battlefield or editing high-resolution videos, this display delivers vibrant, true-to-life visuals with every frame. 32 inches curved monitors with ultra-smooth synergy. 160 Hz refresh rate meets AMD FreeSync Premium Pro, for low latency plus HDR, for buttery smooth gameplay, plus 1 millisecond GTG to crush 4K motion blur every click, every frame, flawlessly responsive. Whether you're gaming at 160 Hz, editing 4K videos, or multitasking, AMD FreeSync Premium and 1 millisecond response time keep visuals crisp, smooth, and artifact-free no matter the content. Level up your gaming with this 32 inches HDMI 2.1 monitor featuring variable refresh rate, VRR, for buttery smooth 4K, 120/144 Hz gameplay. 4K gaming monitor perfectly optimized for PS5 and Xbox Series X. This 160 Hz monitor eliminates screen tearing and stuttering for competitive PC and console gaming. Experience flawless visuals with next-gen connectivity that keeps you ahead of the competition. Game longer and stronger with this 32 inches, 4K, 160 Hz curved gaming monitor. Gaming PC monitor combines elite performance with eye comfort. 4K curved monitor with ultra-smooth 160 Hz refresh rate and dual 5-watt speakers deliver immersive visuals and powerful audio. While tilt adjustment, -5 degrees to 15 degrees, and 100x100mm VESA compatibility helps you find the perfect viewing angle. 4K computer monitor with built-in low blue light protection and dynamic RGB lighting. This UHD monitor gives competitive players the ultimate edge, all without sacrificing eye comfort during marathon sessions. Your complete 4K curved monitor package includes everything you need for next-level gameplay. A 32-inch 4K curved gaming monitor, sturdy stand, power cable, high-speed HDMI 2.1 and DisplayPort 1.4 cables, perfect for 160 Hz performance. All necessary installation hardware, and detailed user manual. If you want to get full highlight features and/or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Thanks for watching. We hope this video satisfied for you and make sure to press that like button and share this video with your friends. And important, don't forget to press subscribe to get instant notifications of all future uploads.